Hello everyone, in this video we are gonna talk about your profile picture. Since I told you that in this part we are gonna make your profile appealing for people to want to follow you, the thing we want to start with is your profile picture. And you might think this is not important, but to be honest with you, when I changed my profile picture I got more followers than before. And I guess this is because on X people make decisions extremely fast. If they see a good looking picture, they will associate your account as a quality one. But don't worry, it's not that hard to create a good looking picture like I did for mine. If you don't want to create another picture for your account and you know that yours is already good, that's perfectly fine, you can skip this video. But if you're not sure, please have a look at this one. I'm gonna talk a bit about myself just a few seconds, but months ago I was working on a YouTube thumbnail generator. And when I studied the thumbnails that made people click the most, the one that worked well was those with high contrasting color, because high contrast naturally attracts the human eye. And this applies to profile pictures too. If your picture has a good lighting, contrast, a clear face and colors that pop, people will naturally tend to look at your posts more often in the feed, just because their eyes are attracted to your profile picture. So what I recommend you to do for your profile picture is to have your face in high quality in the foreground and a color that pops in the background, exactly like what I did for mine. And don't worry, with AI this is really easy to create. Alright, so now we're gonna create our profile picture, and I just created this with ChatGPT to give us a base, and I think it's pretty similar to what you can achieve with your camera. So here we go. We're gonna start now with ChatGPT. So we're gonna remove the background of this picture. So we're gonna start by giving the picture to ChatGPT and remove the background, make a PNG picture, improve the quality of the face, remove the neck, and let's see what it does with that. Alright, so it just finished, and as you can see, the neck isn't removed, but the picture has been improved. So for the neck, there is a way to handle that, because for some reason ChatGPT doesn't want me to remove the neck. So I usually use Photopea, which is like Photoshop, but it's free and online. So we're gonna import our picture here, and we are gonna remove the neck manually. So I just take the eraser tool, and then I remove, yeah, of course. And then I remove everything here, and just gonna pause the video and go back when it's done. Alright, so it's done. I think it's pretty okay, the result. I mean, you can even improve it if you have time, but I just did that in just 2 minutes. So now I'm gonna remove the background. I'm gonna save the file, so I'm gonna click on File. I'm gonna click on Export, PNG, and Save. Here we go. So now I have my PNG here, and I'm gonna move into Canva. So here, same thing, we're gonna create a new project. We're gonna say custom size here, 500 by 500. I create a new design, and I'm gonna be able to import my picture. Alright, so when the picture is imported, as you can see, we can place it here, and then I'm gonna go into elements, and then I'm gonna write radial. And radial is basically the best way, as I found, to emphasize your profile picture. So what I mean is, it's gonna, if I need to place that here. And here we go. And as you can see, the result is already really clean. We are gonna improve it as well after it's with ChatGPT again, but it's already really clean, I think. And yeah, you can definitely play with the background that Canva offers you. And you see there are lots of different radial background. Oh, it's super laggy because I'm recording, but you can see that you have a lot actually lots of different backgrounds that you can use, and even some of them are paid, yeah, because you have the, you know, the crown here. But if you want some free radial pictures and you don't have the Pro Plan into Canva, you can go on Pixabay, and here you just write radial, you go into illustrations, and here you'll see you'll have lots of like similar radial pictures. Here we go, and yeah, you can just download that and use it into Canva. But here, for the sake of simplicity, I'm just gonna choose one into Canva directly, like maybe this one. Here we go. I'm gonna download it, and when it's done, we're gonna go back into ChatGPT. We're gonna say new chat, and here we can do the final touch. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna be able to improve almost anything on the face. So we can improve the quality. We can also add some features, like maybe sunglasses, like I did for my picture. Or you can also add anything you want. I think for this example, I'm gonna add some like paint stains on the face. So I'm gonna say something like improve the quality of the face. I'm gonna say add colorful paint stains on his face, and let's see what it does. And here we go. This is really clean in my opinion. Maybe we can also improve the background as well. I'm gonna say improve the color of the background and see what it does. Okay, this is a bit too colorful for me, so I'm gonna say use simply 2 red tints but more colorful. Alright, so as you can see, it just changed the color of the paint stains on its face. So I'm gonna prompt it again. I want colorful paint stains on his face, but red tints only in the background. So here it is. It is the final result, and I think it's pretty clean. It's just an example here, but you can add basically almost everything you want. So if you want to add the cap, add sunglasses, as I did for my profile picture, you can do it as well. And that's it. Now you have the perfect profile picture for your X account. And one thing I want to mention before moving on is that you don't want to change this picture too often. If it's possible, never change it ever again. This is because people who are following you are used to this picture, and when they see it, they naturally tend to interact with your post. But if you change it, they might think this is not you since they are scrolling fast, and they might not engage with your post anymore if they don't recognize you.